Good morning. Well, it started raining. That's what woke us up over here. So, gotta pack up stuff and make some breakfast in the rain. Oof. Alright guys, we just got here, finished checking in, and we're about to hit the trail. Man, it's so peaceful. Also, this helps Marley stretch his legs. I feel like last time he was a little bit anxious in our camp spot. He just wanted to like go around and be out and about, sniffing. This will take care of that before we have to settle down and hunker for the night. Dang, I don't know if I captured that, but just over there was like this huge ass owl, and it just like flew away like so silently. Now, I don't know about you guys, but my culture, I'm Latino by the way, we tend to associate owls with the supernatural. Now, I don't know where you guys fall in that, but I've always been awfully curious about that subject. So maybe this channel will have like maybe like some 5% of spooky stuff here and there. Yeah, I like thrills. Alright, speaking of 5%, I came back to where I think I spotted the owl. Gonna try to see where it went. Alright, bud. Going off the beaten path. I'm pretty sure the owl was like somewhere around this area. Oh snap, oh snap. Is that a tree? That may just be a tree. I feel like I see like some sort of like structure made out of sticks. Or it could just be a big ass tree. Knife. Damn it. Oh, the thing has one. Like, I feel like I totally get into like bushcraft type of stuff, and this is like perfect place to just like post up and go on Minecraft on it. Alright, everything else looks very shrubby, so screw that. Heading back. Alright, also when we're out here like trekking, this is where like I rely on Marley to point out some things I may not be aware of. So, as you can see, he posted up and he's honed in on something. He sees something way over there. He's very, very focused out here. Right, bud. You spot him, buddy. You spot him. Yo, I just stumbled into carcass, a piece of bone. What the hell, man? Bro, I think this is where the owl was, actually. What? I mean, I know there's deer in the area, but like... So we do have predators here for deer. What? It's just like out here, but I don't see any other bones. What? Man, this is so gnarly. Well, like I said, guys, maybe like 5% spooky. Food. Let me give it another. Look at that, man. You can see bugs eating it, decomposing. So see, it's like right there. I didn't even notice it when we were like walking this way. Alright, let me just... What the hell? Alright, hold on. Gonna explore a bit too, just... I have to know now. Alright, I pushed further into the woods to see if there's like maybe any other types of remains, you know? Because so far it's just that little piece, which I find weird because, I mean, it doesn't look like it's from a hunter. If it was from a predator, I'm expecting more body parts and bones. What? Man, I still can't even place it. If any of you guys know what's up there or what the deal with that is, post it on the comments. I'd like to know, because that's some trippy stuff. Alright, let's head back. Come here, buddy. Oh, here, bud. Yeah. We made it out. We didn't become witch food. It is humid, very humid. I was planning on bringing the paddleboard, but because of the weather, I didn't bring it. So we'll see what's up. Campground spotted. All right, let's go find our camp spot. This time I got a spot like just literally a couple spots down from last time. Okay, little love tap. Look at that, there's a guy kayaking already. Dang, that's what I wanted to do. Alright, it's official. I turned off the Jeep, so camp. Alright, so Marley just came and let me know that chicken's ready. So, about to serve him up and start grilling. Let's do this. Alright, Marley's food is ready. And if you're curious, the kibble is science diet nutrition, and it's prescribed too, so. Hell yeah. Actually, gonna snack on some peanuts too. So I'm hungry. You know what? That's it. Yeah. Check it out, guys. So I recently got a Goal Zero lantern, and that's what you see on the screen. It's so cool. It's like tiny, but like very bright. Like it's at its lowest setting right now, but it's like so ambient. I dig it. I also got these inserts for the windows, so I can cover them up at night. Cause I don't know about y'all, but man, I would hate to like see someone like at your window while you're sleeping. Right. But yeah, check it out. Specially made for the Jeep. So let me go ahead and set them up. Check it out, guys. I just finished putting up these panels. So now I can sleep soundly. No one's gonna be creeping up. Let's see. Can you see me? Oh, you can't even see me. Same deal as last time. Packed up my trash. Let me go find a trash can, dump it out, and get ready for bed. Alright guys, we just got back from throwing away the trash. Now it's time for bed, so gonna start setting that up. And as you can see, this time I have a sleeping bag. I came prepared. So yeah, let's get cozy. Yeah, bud. Good morning. Well, started raining. That's what woke us up over here. So gotta pack up stuff and make some breakfast in the rain. Oof. Hey boy. Success. Sweet. Luckily, I came somewhat prepared. I have a poncho. Yeah. Right, so if you've noticed also, I upgraded my box. Oh, son. Seal and seal. Yeah, so perfect setup, waterproof too, so perfect for our case. Alright, so for breakfast today, I'm gonna try doing hard-boiled eggs because I need to test out the new JetBoil stove. Check it out. I got this little guy and it seems like a perfect fit for quick boiled eggs and whatnot on the go, which we're gonna be doing a lot. So yeah, let's check it out. Let's fill the sucker up with water. Alright, now to toss in the eggs. Eggs are in. I think I also cracked one on the way in. Alright, but the real test. Came out here to the lake after breakfast. Gonna enjoy the views. Chill day.
Chill day indeed. And if you like this type of stuff, do hit that like button, subscribe, greatly appreciate it. Also, coming up next, Marley and I sign up for a 5K at the upcoming GoPro Games in Colorado. You won't want to miss this. Stay tuned.